Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are looking at Abacus AI. We're going to do a full-on deep dive review of the product, and we are going to uncover all that needs to be surfaced. So let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, let's deep dive into Abacus AI. So first of all, Abacus AI markets itself as the world's first AI super assistant, offering two comprehensive products designed for different organizational needs. The Chat LLM Teams is the first. So you can access to multiple state-of-the-art large language models, including GPT 4.0, Claude, and Llama 3. It features comprehensive chat capabilities, advanced code generation, you get creative image creation, and an intelligent document analysis. The second option is the Abacus AI Enterprise, which gives you advanced AI agents with vision AI capabilities, sophisticated forecasting tools, predictive modeling systems, and tailored AI solutions specifically designed for marketing, sales, and operational workflows. The pricing highlight. So Chat LLM Teams offers unlimited access for just $10 a month, positioning itself as a highly cost-effective alternative to its competitors such as ChatGPT Plus. You can also see some of their user experience and customer feedback over here. It's known to be cost-effective. It gives you flexible conversations, and it's a cutting-edge model. Some of the critical issues that have been reported is its technical instability, its resource consumption, its support challenges, and some of its billing concerns. The last section over here that we're going to have a look at is which we should be using and why we should be using it. So first of all, it's best suited for budget-conscious users, independent problem solvers, and you should be advised for caution if you are an enterprise operation or you have a billing sensitivity as a user. The bottom line is that Abacus AI presents a powerful budget-friendly AI toolkit with impressive feature breadth. However, significant stability and support challenges currently limit its suitability for mission-critical business applications.